All right, so here is my new iSpring Reverse Osmosis water filter system. So I got this because my water was really, had a lot of chlorine taste to it, and we didn't like that. And we were tired of using a Brita filter. So I installed this, which was super easy. You just turn it on here, and that is my filtered water. And then over here is my regular tap water. So it's a really simple installation down here underneath my kitchen cabinet. So this is just an IKEA cabinet and an IKEA sink. Now, first off, I put my filter system so close to my main tap just because this particular sink underneath is really thick, and that was the thinnest point there. If I wanted to put it over there, I would never have actually been able to get it all to work, so that's why it's so close to my main tap. But it's been working out great, we love it. And then down here is the setup. So this is the water reservoir tank where all your filtered water goes into. And over here is the filter system. So I have 3 main filters on the bottom and a couple more up here. And it looks sort of complicated there, but it was really simple to install, and we've been loving it. One of the things we opted to get was the ice maker attachment. That's why I have a T-fitting here, and this other line goes all the way over here to my ice maker. My freezer's kind of gross looking. And one of the real bonuses to this filter system is our ice now tastes like nothing, which is amazing. It used to taste really gross and chlorine-y, and it used to be really cloudy white, and now you can see the ice is nice and clear and it has no taste, which is awesome for our drinks. And yeah, that is my new iSpring Reverse Osmosis water filter system. We ordered it off Amazon, came super fast, and it's a really easy install. Only took me about, I don't know, 45 minutes. And then the one thing I didn't do was you have screw holes here on the filter system. You can actually hang it up in your cabinet, but I just decided to let it sit on the base of the cabinet, and it works out great. So yeah, if you're looking for a water filter system, definitely get one of these because it was great tasting water and easy to install.